Breakfast time in the making. Making some omelets today for breakfast. I'm going to put some, this is ground up pork. I'll put this in the omelets. So it could be delicious. And we are also doing some peppers because we're going to have these in the omelets. So I just put these on, about to let this saute. And then I'll do the eggs after all this stuff is done. Yeah. Breakfast in Heather's Eats Kitchen, y'all. I'll show y'all the finished product shortly. Alright, y'all, so the eggs are ready. The peppers are done. I'm about to set that right here. That pork. So I'm just getting the pan ready. I didn't have no milk today to put in the eggs, but that's okay. It's an omelet, so it's not going to really be a huge difference. But almost done, guys, and I'll be able to show y'all the finished product. All right, I'll be back. Y'all, it's almost ready to flip over. It's in the pan. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese in the middle real quick. I'm going to set y'all right here. Let's see. There you go. Sprinkle a little cheese in there. Not quite. I'm doing my video, honey. There we go. See that? That's how it's looking. I'm doing my video, honey bunny. I'll get the fuck out of the way. Shh. That's my dog. Alright, y'all. So let me prop y'all up here real quick. There you got it, guys. Voila. It's been flipped. You just let it cook a little bit more on each side. You got your nice little omelet, and that's it, guys. And all I used was some crumpled pork, some eggs, some peppers, and some cheese. I used some Mexican cheese in this, and you got a good little omelet. But that was what I made for breakfast today, guys. Just wanted to get on here and share that with you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, the bell notification so you can be notified of any videos that I upload. But this is Heather's Eats, guys, and I would love to have you guys a part of the channel and the family, the H Squad family, as we cook together and enjoy food together. All right, guys, you have a great day, and I'll be back with more content later. Bye, guys. Omelet number 2. This one's mine. As y'all can see, I got more peppers in it. Way more peppers because I love vegetables. But there you have it. Omelets made at home. Very easy, fulfilling, and it's definitely a pleaser for the family.